Here are 7 marketing mistakes small businesses make and how to fix them. If you're running a small business and your marketing isn't producing the results you hoped for, there's a good chance you're making one or maybe several of these common mistakes. The good news is they're all fixable. Let's take a look. The first mistake is trying to market to everyone. It sounds logical that the more people you reach, the more customers you'll get. But the opposite is usually true. The most successful businesses know exactly who they're speaking to. The more specific your target audience, the easier it becomes to create messages that actually resonate. The second mistake is talking about yourself instead of your customer. Many businesses spend their marketing explaining how long they've been around or how great their products are. Customers aren't really asking, "Who are you?" They're asking, "How can you help me?" Shift your focus from features to benefits, and you'll instantly make your marketing more compelling. Third, many businesses underestimate the importance of branding. A brand isn't just a logo or a color palette, it's the overall impression people have of your business. Every interaction, from your website to your customer service, helps shape that perception. A strong brand builds trust before you've even made the sale. The fourth mistake is inconsistency. One week you're active on social media, the next you've disappeared. Your messaging changes from platform to platform, and your visual identity keeps evolving. Consistency builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. Number 5 is skipping the marketing plan altogether. Too many businesses jump straight into posting on social media or buying ads without asking a simple question. What's the objective? A good marketing plan doesn't need to be complicated. It simply gives your marketing direction instead of leaving it to chance. The sixth mistake is ignoring your existing customers. Businesses often spend all their energy chasing new customers while forgetting the people who have already bought from them. Staying connected through email, loyalty programs, or exceptional service is often far less expensive than constantly trying to acquire new business. And finally, mistake number 7, giving up too soon. Marketing isn't usually an overnight success. Building awareness, trust, and customer relationships takes time. The businesses that succeed are often the ones that stay consistent and keep improving rather than constantly starting over.